That's P7. So P7 means parking level 7 underground. This is going to be a 32 stories or 32 floors or levels a building, and I don't know exactly what is going to be on the top, but on the bottom is going to be some sort of a conference center here in the downtown Vancouver. I can't give you the name of the project. And this is under construction. When they remove all the old materials, but generally you see lots of like piles of junk, piles of material like pipes, plumbing, electrical conduits, cables, and temporary items like this temporary power block, power outlets. And it doesn't look bad, so it's after cleaning, after removing the debris. Of course, they are going to paint and wash, paint. They will remove this, you see, concrete marks. So they have special equipment, and people run those tools. You still see some boxes, so it's not looking too bad. Power panels, and this used to be an old crane shaft. The crane that now they removed it, and maybe they are going to keep this one for another. Copy that. And yeah, this used to be the access to the crane shaft. So here is one of those tall cranes that you see, construction crane. And the crane operator used to come down all the way. Also confined space where they have all sort of some pumps, because there is water underground here under the building, so they have to use specialty pumps to remove the water. So again, this doesn't look too bad. But the thing is, those people who do work here to remove this concrete debris and carry stuff, they are all construction workers who probably now are happy to have something to do, like are busy, and they take some money home, because what the government promised to deliver, those social assistance money and employment insurance benefits and other financial aids, they are not really they are not enough. But one thing is, once people stay home and lots of stores are closed, there are less temptation to go out and waste your money. So you see, all this stuff has to be cleaned up and painted. And guess who does that? The construction workers. And I recorded similar videos in the past about how people should respect the construction workers. You see all this thing, like you think that this door frame is light. No, someone has to move pieces of metal around. You don't have ways to carry stuff from the top down, and most of the stuff is manual labor, people carrying heavy material on their shoulders. There are hoists outside the building. They carry stuff up, but horizontally you don't have really many tools to carry these materials within the floor or from the ground level, from the hoist down, from the truck, from the crane. So this is really, really hard work and in a harsh environment. It is not for everyone. Okay, I'll let you go. Those are my thoughts for the morning. banging noises. People should wear hearing protection. Also, I noticed that they have new rules in place and new systems in place regarding the COVID-19 disease. So it's not only reporting, but they have washing stations, cleaning station, disinfectant, and they have these 2-meter rules. So I see people actually going around, avoiding each other, keeping distance, and I'm impressed. I didn't know the construction workers are going to follow those rules. But yes, even in construction, I see people keeping distance, which amazed me. That's one guy keeping distance, and he's using a face mask, a dust respirator. Yeah, I have to let you go. I think it's not a really important message for people who don't do anything, don't do construction work.